You can start now. Okay. Julie's gonna go first, so we're just gonna alternate, and we'll see what happens. You're fine, that's wild.
Oh, beautiful.
That color is wild.
Well, I gotta live up to the wild name.
Holy crap, what am I gonna do? That is wild. I'm gonna do something, maybe equally wild, but just with mark making. I will do non-dominant hand. Just a little bit of an opposite, something skinny. Okay, your move.
Let's see, I'm going to.
It's gonna be a girly painting.
A girly man, as Arnold Schwarzenegger said.
Okay. So I'm gonna get rid of some of that. That's gotta go. We are canceling some of this out.
I figured you would, so I gave you something to
You're
work
just
with.
canceling out Julie's stuff and then.
Right. Yes, exactly. Just going to keep the parts I like, and then we take a nubbin off of that. All right.
Okay, let me see. And make this a slightly less garish color.
Yeah.
Too garish for me. It's going to be too much the same value, but at least it's just a little different.
A little dirtier.
A little dirtier.
All right. Okay, I'm gonna throw in a new color. I think I'm gonna stay with the girly theme.
No, you're killing Julie.
She's gonna love it. Love it.
You're taxing me too much. I may have to lay down from all this.
Actually, I want to do something a little bit different. Let me get a different brush. I'm gonna leave that for your use because I know
Okay.
you're gonna love that color.
I do like the color. It's not on that painting.
Oh no.
Woo! I knew she was gonna do that. She was waiting for me to do it.
I wanted to keep that lump there.
I know, but you can make another one.
All right. Yeah, I'm going back to, I feel like there's a lot of the same size.
Yes.
So I'm gonna throw in a little woody action. Just to do a couple of W's and maybe just some loopy things.
So I've been feeling this color.
Wow, really?
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
And maybe
You are becoming unrecognizable to me. You are feeling that color?
I don't think I ever feel that color. Maybe, let's just see what happens if I put a
Oh,
little bit
yeah.
of this
That'd
orange.
be a good.
Got a green gold going on there, Julie.
Well, it's not, it's more like a chartreusey.
Yeah, it'll be a nice
Kinda-
neutral,
Fluorescent.
actually.
Is we what?
It'd be a good neutral.
Yeah.
Mhm.
And I think I'm going to close my eyes. Just add something like that. I guess I didn't have much, I had my brush turned the wrong way, so let me, there.
All right. I'm digging that. Okay, I'm gonna use this light pink I already mixed up. And let me get back a little bit so I can see. I kind of want to poke some holes in this so there's some air in here.
Mm-hmm.
And maybe one more little spot of this. I don't know why. Ooh, oh, that's a nice color. Okay.
Okay. Why, thank you. So I'm thinking about maybe some complementary color action.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Maybe with a little bit of this too, just for fun. No, I don't really like that.
It's pretty sweet.
It's too sweet, yeah.
I feel like it's a lot of sweet.
No, thank you. No, thank you. Maybe a touch of orange in it. It's way too dark, but it'll get mushed up, I'm sure.
No, dark is okay. We can use another dark.
Yeah. Let's see. I mean, I would anticipate covering a lot of this up later, but.
Wow, that changes things. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna do a new color mix, probably to mute that down a little bit. Or so I'm gonna take her mix and I'm gonna lighten it first. I think I'm just gonna desaturate it with some white and black. And let's get rid of some of it.
Okay. Can really see that green in there. What I was wanting.
Okay. You're doing smaller moves than me.
Well, I'm being more deliberate.
Yeah. I want to do something a little bit more unpredictable, but what that is, I'm not entirely sure. Let's see. Get some white, and get some of the black, and just scoop a few different things on here. Oh, it's falling off already. See if I can just. Little breakfast. So there's that, and I don't know, something up here.
Okay.
I'll just wipe this off here like usual. Just where I wipe everything.
I love this color so much. Which actually is not the same thing. I thought this was magenta, but it isn't. But we'll go with magenta. I'll take my little brush. And I'm liking this. I know you'll take most of that away.
No, I like that.
I like that. But I want to do, you know what I want to do? I wish I had, we do have a green one of these.
And it's sharpened.
And it's sharpened.
It's ready.
It's ready.
Oh yeah, I'm digging that.
Wiping it
Alright.
off for you.
Okay. All right. I think I want to mix like a muddy kind of neutral to put in a couple of places. Or maybe there's something in a tube that I could cheat with. I'll cheat with this a little bit, but the sienna, burnt sienna, just a little bit of it. I'm just gonna grab some other stuff to mix in with it. Get some of the green.
I think we're like wilder than last week.
Yeah, no, this is a little bit out there.
We warmed up to the idea.
So, I'm just changing some values because,
Mm-hmm.
I want to. It's just like a gut reaction of changing a couple values in some places to break it up. Maybe one more little spot.
Well, I have a shocking announcement. I want to put yellow in it.
Oh my God. All right, bring
Is
it.
that okay with you?
Let's
Must've
do
been
it.
all that curry in her soup last night.
Right, she OD'd apparently. Oh my God. I think it'll be good. Yellow is actually a great mixer. Cad yellow,
This is medium.
or medium, well, I mean.
Yeah,
it's
no, I
medium,
know.
Cad medium yellow.
I'm not sure what I want to do with it, but I might tone it down some
Yeah, I gotta get back here and kind of look.
with your kind of brownish taupey color,
Mm-hmm.
which I think is better than straight cat medium on there. I need a
Yeah,
little bit
that's
more.
good.
Oop, now it's too taupey. Take a different brush.
See, she kind of chickened in on the edge
Yeah.
with that, right? Because like,
Yeah.
this is gonna be gone, this is gonna be gone, so it's a smaller end
Smaller.
shape.
Yeah. And I want to put it someplace else too. And I'm thinking I might want to put it, not a ton of it, so maybe just like a little right here. I don't have enough on the brush, but get the idea.
Yeah, that's a good spot. Yeah, I like the idea of the yellow now.
Haven't you
I'm
seen it?
sold.
You're
I'm
sold? Maybe
Yeah.
it's a little,
I'm gonna take a skinnier brush. I'm gonna mix one. I'm gonna go with a little bit lemony.
Lighter?
Lemony, throw some of this blue in here. So it'd be kind of lemony green, but pretty desaturated actually.
Yeah.
And I'm starting to not like the original orange as much. So I'm just gonna cover some of it with the yellow. It'll still be there, but and you're going to. Goodbye. Don't think you're hiding behind the big
you had a
mark.
short lifespan.
And maybe just, just
Uh-huh.
like, it just kind of tones it down a little bit, it pushes it behind, but it's still there, right? Because it just felt like a little too electric. And then now I can see some of the other values and stuff going on. We're just about done. I don't know
Yeah, I wanna
how
put a
long we've
little
been doing on this.
I'm
but-
making like this lighter color.
You can kind of feel the energy in the marks.
Yeah.
Using the body, like
Yeah.
really just kind of like trying new mixes that would not normally make sense together. And like this isn't a palette that I would wake up one day and say, I'm gonna use this palette. Because
And we
it's
know I
such
would.
it's such a bizarre combination, but it's kind of coming together because we
It is.
started mixing parts of it together into new neutrals and things.
I'm not done.
Oh, you're done.
I said I love it.
Just kidding. You're so done.
I just wanted more of this pink.
Yeah.
Maybe like a little more here.
That's good.
There.
All right, let me mix, I still wanna throw something, a glob on somewhere.
Glob it up.
And I wanna see if Julie will allow it to live. and
I'll allow
grow.
it to live. I had my fun with the other glob. It's hard to let a glob sit though.
Well, it depends on the glob.
It's like waiting to be smushed. It's inviting me to smush it.
Actually, I just gotta,
Man, that's a hell of a glob.
well, gotta make it count. There we go. Let me see. I'll come from this angle.
Woo!
Yeah, I think that's a pretty good one.
Yeah, that's
It's
great.
a nice,
Uh-huh.
actually made a line, so.
Well, I started, so you finished.
Okay, so is that
Yeah,
it?
I think that's it.
All right.
You
That's
guys
a
want-
wrap.
do you guys want to bow?